just named her Stacy, and now she's famous. She's the famous Stacy.
Hi fashionistas, first you're going to turn on your machine and then get your thread and put it on the spool pin. You can then thread your bobbin, find the little hole, put it through and hold on to that little piece of thread. You will then bring your thread around the bobbin winder tension disc and then put your bobbin on the bobbin winder and push it to the right. That lets the machine know that it's time to make a bobbin and not to sew. Keep hold of the thread in your right hand and go ahead and push on your foot pedal. So put your foot on the gas and keep holding with your right hand on that thread until the thread pulls away. And just keep watching to make sure that everything is going smoothly on your bobbin, that you're not getting a messy bobbin. Make sure it's staying nice and neat as it spins on there. Once your bobbin starts to look nice and full, it's going to be time to let up off the gas. You'll need your little scissors, and I usually get the little tiny piece and clip it off first, and then you're going to want to take that bobbin winder and slide it to the left. That lets the machine know that we're back to sewing. Clip that off and you've got a perfect bobbin ready to put in your bobbin carriage and get to sewing your project.